Hey guys, it's Chris from Winter Auto Repair, located in Robbinsville, New Jersey. Behind me is a 2022 Volvo XC60 mild hybrid. We're going to be changing the wiper blades today. And the reason we're doing a video on it, they're very different. So we want to explain to you how to take them on and off, because they're very difficult, and how they're different as far as what we would normally install. This car here had to get them from the dealership. So we're going to start here by showing you how to take them off. I'm going to show you here, we've already got our wipers in our service mode, so we can stand them up. You're going to push the button as normal, and then you're going to slide the wiper out. Now, what you're going to notice is, in here, there's a little hole. That little hole is where the washer fluid sprayer is. On the back side of the wiper, there's going to be little holes all along here. That is how your washer fluid sprays onto the window. Inside this wiper arm, you're going to have two little triangular squeeze panels that you're going to squeeze. And this one's stuck. This is how you get the sprayer nozzle out if you need to. Okay, this is not working. There it is. All right, so you've got this little plastic cage. You've got your washer nozzle. You're going to make sure that that cage sits inside like this, and then you're going to make sure it's inserted correctly. Now, that is only if you take this out. If you don't take that out, you don't have to mess with it. We took it out the first time by accident, because normally you would squeeze this to pull the wiper off. This car, you do not have to squeeze that, but if it comes out, that's how you do the cage. Now we're going to come over here to the workbench. We're going to show you how to change the blade. So, a typical Trico wiper blade that we would normally install, we would replace it by just using this. We can change the adapter part to make sure it fits your particular car. On this one, Volvo is giving you this. We've already done that wiper blade that we showed you from the driver's side. You can tell this is the old one. And inside, this is what you get. You get an end cap, and you get just the rubber. All right? So on this, you're going to want to make sure, if you look in here, there's a stopper where the fluid will stop. So you want to make sure that that stopper lines up with all the holes, because there's only holes on one side. So in here, you have a little clip. So we're going to take a pick, and we're going to move that right there and slide it off. All right? Now once that is off, you're going to slide the whole blade out. Now you're going to take your new one, make sure you line it up in the track. You want to slide it across, nice and easy all the way in, and then you're going to make sure this clicks all the way. And you heard the click, check it, it's nice and tight. Now we can do the install, which is a little bit of a pain. We're going to show you how to do it back on the other one. So now when you do the install, again, you're going to make sure that that hole that's in here lines up with that nozzle that's in there. So you're going to slide this down, and as you come down, you're going to make sure that it clicks all the way. This one is a pain. You practice this a few times and it is not easy. And there it is. Now it's installed. What you want to make sure, and I'll show you on this one, you want to make sure that right here, these two tangs line up with the wiper blade and locks that washer nozzle into place. All right? So again, this is just for the Volvo XC60 2022. I'm not sure what other models have this particular wiper blade. But again, I'm Chris from Winter Auto Repair. And do us a favor, if you're on YouTube, please subscribe. And if you're on Facebook, please like and follow our page. Chris from Winter Auto Repair, done once, done right, and guaranteed.